First things first, I appreciate your support. This is a drain pump, direct current of an LG washing machine. So the machine was not draining water. Unfortunately, it was not giving an OE error code that is common with the LG. OE means the machine is not draining. The filter was clean. The machine was quite clean. She has been using it well. But it's unfortunate. On opening the pump, this is what I found. This is a peg, a broken peg. So it came right over here. This is how our drain pump works. Communication comes from the motherboard. And then there's these cables here. These cables. Alternating current that comes here. So this is what happened. The pump was receiving power, but this was here, so it was stuck. So the propeller couldn't move. The propeller should be free. So this caused overheating. And unfortunately, the pump is dead. I've used the multimeter to check. There is no current. Now we have to replace this. This is avoidable. Before you're doing laundry, pick clothes one by one as you put them in the drum. You'll definitely realize there's a peg. If not, you expect this. Check pockets for coins, because when coins come here or something like a screw, it affects the pump from moving. So always check pockets before doing laundry. Check all that. So we're going to replace this. This is avoidable. Remember to subscribe for more content. I love you guys.